Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you how to create a chatbot using LiteLLM. It's very simple. Let's get started. First, create a virtual environment. It's conda create -n LiteLLM Python equal 3.11. Enter. Now activate the conda environment. Conda activate LiteLLM. Next, pip install LiteLLM. That will install the pip package. Next, export the OpenAI API key like this. You can generate the key from OpenAI platform website and create a new secret key. Next, create a file called app.py. Touch app.py. Inside the file, import LiteLLM, define a chatbot with prompt, then response equals LiteLLM.completion, then set a model GPT 3.5 turbo, then create messages with list and a flower bracket. Inside that, have a role and define it as user, and a content and define it as prompt. That is the question which we are going to ask chatbot. We are going to return the response. Response choices 0, message and content. That's where you can get the text response. Next, create if name equals main, while true, user input equals input, that is you. If user input dot lower in quit exit by, if the user enters quit, exit or by, then it should exit the chatbot. We're giving break and then print chatbot user input. All the question will be passed to the chatbot and it will be printed as a chatbot response. Just few lines of code. Import LiteLLM, then create a chatbot function. Then in the response, completion, set up a model name and then messages. In that, create a role, user and content and give the prompt there and then return the response like this. Next, in the main function, you're allowing the user to give an input. If the input is exit, quit or buy, then you exit the chatbot, else get a response from the chatbot. Now we are going to run this. Let's open the terminal, type python app.py and click enter. Now you got a response from the chatbot, Now you can ask a question. Write a poem about Mervyn Praisen interest in AI in 2 lines. Mervyn Praisen, an innovator with fire in his eyes, fuels his passion for AI where boundless possibilities arise. Nice. What is your base AI model? My base model is a deep neural network. Yeah, that's it. As simple as that. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.